dairy engineering branch is there where you can go into 11 lakh 10,000. I'm not saying opt dairy engineering, but if you are interested in these kind of branches like food process, then biotechnology, bioengineering, anything related to these branches, chemical, textile. Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel The Path. स्टूडेंट्स, कट ऑफ जानने के लिए आपको हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ज़रूरी रहता है और कट ऑफ हम लोग सारे ही कॉलेजेस का आपको प्रोवाइड करते हैं, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज हो या फिर कोई प्राइवेट कॉलेज हो, क्योंकि कट ऑफ के बिना हम लोग क्लियर नहीं होते हैं कि हमें कॉलेज कौन सा मिलेगा। जितने भी बच्चे हैं जिनको जेईई मेंस की परसेंटाइल आ चुकी है, वो सभी बच्चे ये सोचते हैं कि भाई हमारी रैंक ऑलमोस्ट इतनी बनेगी, तो क्या इतनी रैंक पे हमको कोई कॉलेज मिल रहा है, और अगर मिल रहा है तो कौन सी रैंक पे मिल रहा है, कौन सा कॉलेज मिल रहा है, ये सब चीज़ें हमें एनालाइज करना होता है। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का वीडियो हमारा इसी टॉपिक पे है। हम लोग गवर्नमेंट फंडेड कॉलेजेस की बात करेंगे, जीएफटीआई कॉलेजेस की बात करेंगे, और उसमें आपके चांसेस जिससे जितनी ज़्यादा रैंक जैसे किसी की है, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 लाख, 1.5 लाख, 3 लाख, 10 लाख, तो इन बच्चों को कौन से जीएफटीआईज मिल सकते हैं, कॉलेजेस गवर्नमेंट के मिल सकते हैं। पहली बात तो ये समझो कि जो जीएफटीआई कॉलेजेस होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे किसी की कहे सुनी बातों में नहीं आइएगा कि वहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट नहीं होता है, तो ऐसा नहीं है। जीएफटीआई कॉलेजेस में भी अच्छा प्लेसमेंट होता है, अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, करिकुलम है, और वहाँ के टीचर्स हाईली क्वालिफाइड हैं। तो ये सारी बातों को ध्यान रखते हुए इंस्टीट्यूट आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो। जो खास क्राइटेरिया मैंने आपको बताया था, जैसे कि किसी भी कॉलेज को ऑप्ट करने का वो जो रहता है वो है उसका प्लेसमेंट और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड जो वहाँ की फैकल्टी है, ये सब चीज़ें देखना ज़रूरी है। प्रीवियस में कितने प्लेसमेंट्स हुए हैं, कैसे गए हैं, कौन कौन सी कंपनीज ने विजिट किया है, ये जानना ज़रूरी रहता है, प्लस वहाँ का इन्वायरमेंट। ठीक है, तो ये सब चीज़ों को कैलकुलेट करने के बाद अब हम जीएफटीआई कॉलेजेस की तरफ आए हैं, और इन कॉलेजेस में अच्छा प्लेसमेंट होता है, वो कॉलेजेस ही हम लोग यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। बच्चे अब किसी यूनिवर्सिटी से फॉर एग्जांपल कर रहे हैं, जीएफटीआई है, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में अप्लाई करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आपके और भी कोर्सेज अच्छे आ गए हैं जिसमें आप मास्टर्स या फिर अपना पीएचडी भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हो। तो ये तो बात की बात है पहले, लेकिन हम लोग अपना यूजी के प्रोग्राम्स के लिए देखेंगे। जो हमारा बीटेक का कोर्स है वो हमें कंप्लीट करना है, सो वी हैव टू लुक अराउंड फॉर द गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस। थोड़ा हिंदी में वीडियो रहेगा, थोड़ा इंग्लिश में रहेगा, सो दैट हमारे कुछ बच्चों की रिक्वेस्ट आई है कि मैम प्लीज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, सो आई विल ट्राई टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश इन दिस वीडियो। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू हैव any rank, if you have any JEE Mains rank, you can use your rank in getting into a top college, that may be a government funded college also. So students, we will check around how much rank it has been, closing ranks and opening ranks, so that we can get the government funded colleges. So let's see here, like first we have either Central University of Haryana, here printing and packaging technology branch is there, and quota obviously is all India quota and open category, that means open general, gender neutral. Then we can here see the all ranks, opening ranks and closing ranks. So we will look around both the ranks so that we can get an idea that this branch has been starting from which college and from closing in which rank. So we have to look around both the ranks, students. So closing rank here we will see of Central University of Rajasthan is 13,36,319. So that means that doesn't mean ki 13 lakh student has got this college, so it will be a burst college. No, this is not the case. College is good, and here university you have we are known about, and last year also students were connected with us who gone into this university, Central University of Haryana, and they also given me the review of the college. Students, if you have so much low rank, then but no need to depress, you have the college options, that is all I am saying. And college is the good, and placements you can look around from, if not in campus, I'm not saying campus will provide the complete placement, if not the campus, then you can look around for other various sources for the placements. But college and study is no doubt is good in Central University. So printing and packaging technology branch is also a very good branch. If a student is interested in this branch, he or she can go in this branch also. And closing rank I've already told you. Then here is next college, GKV Haridwar. GKV Haridwar is Gurukul Kangadi Vishwavidyalaya, it's in Haridwar. Mechanical engineering we got here 12,95,000 is also very low rank, I will say that. So I am just covering all that colleges where low rank students can get into and get the decent branch, decent college at least, so that they are not, so that they don't land up in a college where there is nothing. So these are the government colleges you have to land up here also, and some private colleges are also, I agree that few GFTI colleges, apart from that, we can go into private colleges if they are providing us good facilities, computer science also, and little bit more fees. That also I suggest ki you can go there. But If a student interested in government colleges, then these colleges have the options. Don't drop out the year, just go into these colleges and you can analyze that colleges are definitely good and better. Now you can discuss with us. Just students from South India, especially on your request, I am completing this video in English only so that you can understand what I am saying. And हम लोग तो यूपी वाले भाई हैं ही हैं, so हम लोग को इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों ही हम लोग we are comfortable with it, ठीक है. So students, Birla Institute of Technology, Electronics and Communication branch, 12,62,000. We have got this college closed for female only. I mentioned here about the female. The next is Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra Food Tech Engineering. Here its closing rank is 11,54,064. So you can see around 13 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 11 lakhs mein almost 10 lakhs. The students are getting the colleges. And according to this year also, this cutoff analysis I am telling you of last year, here also this rank will increase in this counselings if we are going to do the GFTI counselings. So we'll look around that counselings will be very smooth and rank will obviously increase only. Then Central University of Rajasthan, Jharkhand, we can say here integrated BTech MTech program is there. So here 11,32,000 closing rank has been gone in this integrated branch. Okay, this branch is also good. And then Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, Bhadoi. If you are interested in carpet and textile technology, 4-year course hai, then you can opt this course. And here 11,28,000. We have got the closing rank in this college. Then Institute Engineering HS Gaur engineering branch is there where you can go into 11,10,000. I am not saying opt dairy engineering, but if you are interested in these kind of branches like food process, then biotechnology, bioengineering, anything related to these branches, chemical, textile. The textile also is a very good branch and dairy engineering also is a very good branch. But its limited scope, due to its limited scope, we doesn't opt these branches. But I would suggest if you are interested and if you know about these branches from anyone, from Google search or whatever, then you can go here and placement you will definitely get. Okay. Then next college is Ghani Khan Chaudhary. It's in West Bengal, Malda, and civil engineering and environmental engineering branch will go around with 10,84,000 almost rank is a closing rank in this college for its civil and environmental. Okay, so this is also a decent tick college where we can go here and we can do our bachelor's degree. Then Birla Institute, Deoghar campus, it's related to BITS Mesra only, but its campus is in Deoghar, another campus of BITS Mesra. Electronics and Communication Engineering, home state, here we can get in 10,46,000 in home state. Okay. Then Central University of Jharkhand integrated BTech MTech program, here in will be getting in 10,42,000. Then again Birla campus mechanical engineering, its home state quota 10,26,000. Birla off campus Deoghar electrical and electronics engineering 10,26,000. Okay, so we have covered here Central University of Jharkhand, then we have covered Birla Institute Deoghar campus, and then we have covered Ghani Khan Chaudhary, and these are colleges where you can get around. Then next Deoghar we have completed. So next we'll look around BIT Mesra, like I have said, physics engineering, home state quota, it's 86,000 lump sum. Sorry, 8,62,000 lump sum in Birla Institute Physics. Then Sant Longewal we will see chemistry 5-year course, here it will be going with 8,04,000. Okay, this is a good college. This is really a good college, Sant Longewal. From earlier, many students have gone through our guidance in studying in Sant Longewal Institute, and they have given me their review of the college also. So this college is very good. So you can go here. Then next is Mizoram University as well, electrical engineering you can get here, which is 7,90,000. Students, I am not saying that you have to quit. I am just saying you have the options where you can still get into a government college. Students, if you have any low rank, whatever, don't get depressed or don't get disheartened that you can't get any college. So please be with us only. Subscribe this channel and like also this channel. I'm really trying hard so that you can get college in this year's counseling with any of the students' rank. Okay? And keep on preparing for advance also. So keep on preparing or other things also. If you are joining with another course, any core languages you are learning about anything, so you can do that also side by side, and you can enter into these decent colleges also. Okay. Then next is we have covered Devi also. Then next is Ghani Khan also we have covered. And then now we can see Mizoram University. It's civil engineering branch. It's 6,55,000. Mizoram Technology Bhilai Institute civil engineering you will get 6,40,000 here. Then it's Jiju will ask 5 lakh. We have closed this. Food engineering and technology will getting 5 lakh. Extreme ranks of the colleges I am covering and rest of the branches I am not covering, so that you have that idea ki at least this is the college, at least we can enter in these colleges. Okay, so this is my motto right now. All instrumentation, it's 4 lakh 9 if in government, and if private, the private is something different your seat, but I will not suggest that right now. Just focus upon your JEE Mains April attempt and do it very hard, and then the qualified students you will get, so we can go into the at JEE Advanced exam. So students, thank you very much for listening, for having patience with listening this video, and definitely it will help you in all